Businesses in the town of Cottonwood are trying to get back to a sense of normalcy by reopening their stores this week after an EF2 tornado ripped through the downtown district last week. But two of those businesses opened up a little earlier than that to help out. WDHN's Aaron Dixon has the story.
The town of Cottonwood is trying to get back on track after a deadly tornado rolled through their downtown district and area last week, leaving thousands without power, people without homes, trees littering roadways, and businesses deciding whether or not to open back up.
It's sad to see these businesses close and not come back. Hopefully in the future, we'll have other businesses trying to come in here and rebuild Cottonwood.
Over the last week, two businesses, Cottonwood Drugs and Burger Barn, have reopened their doors downtown for people to stop by and get their needed medication or grab something to eat. And the town hall got their server back online for residents to pay their water bill, while also reopening the building for people to stop by and speak to town officials. But some businesses on the Cottonwood Highway Strip have been working since the storm hit.
We stayed here and waited on customers during cleanup. We knew that there was going to be people that were going to be needing supplies.
Cottonwood Home and Farm Supply has been in the community for a little over 5 years. And when the tornado hit, crewmen 3 people were at the store and were forced to take cover. But then after looking at the damage the storm left and the damage it even did to their store, they decided to stay open for their customers.
We figured just stay here and do what we could to keep everybody going.
Another business that went to work right after the storm was contracting company C Enterprises of the Wiregrass.
We volunteered for 3 days, our equipment, our time to help clean the roads, get so Alabama Power and the other companies can get in here.
Then Sapero says his team looked at the damage the storm did to them, which included some water damage and some damage to their roof, courtesy of a power pole and transformer breaking next to their building, where wires dragged across the metal roofing, damaging it. Now those repairs to the building have been repaired, and now they will hope to continue to serve the community, which Sapero says has seen an uptick in business since the disaster.
It's sad that we have to have all this work. We're blessed to have all this work, but for the reasons, but we're here to help.
In Cottonwood, Aaron Dixon, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.